All right, in this one, we're going to play with the battery tester again. The KAIWEETS KVB01, I believe it is. I have to take it out of the box or the pack and see. But I don't feel like I gave it justice on the mower, the last video. So we're going to do it again, test my truck. So let's get into it. All right, I got it set up. Well, I have it plugged in, that is. Excuse me. So I'm going to battery test. We're going to select, I guess you can see that. Let's see. And we're going to check cold cranking amps, and it's only at 300, so we got a good ways to go because this is 730. Oh wow, that went quick. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, look at there, stop right on it. Can you see that? Let's hit enter, test. You see that? That says normal. State of charge is the first one, 81%. State of health, 72%. Volts, 12.59. Cold cranking amps is 630 or 623. That's not very good if it's supposed to be 730. Anyway, it says normal. You see it? So now let's go inside and let's get the camera set up inside the truck, and we'll do a charging test and load test. I'm going to do the charging test inside too. That way you're not hearing the engine running. So anyway, let's get that set up. Okay, as you can see, we're sitting in my truck. Hopefully you can see this screen. Let's see what test we want to do. We already did the battery test. Let's do the cranking test. Whoa. Okay. Now let's go down to charging test. How about that? Can you see that? That's holding it at 2,500 RPMs. Says the charging test is good. Let's do that one more time just in case y'all didn't see that. Did you see that? All right. You should have seen it. All right. Now let's go load test. Turn on load. Increase the speed to 2,000 to 2,500 RPMs, then press enter. Press enter. Okay, what kind of load can we turn on? Lights is on, radio's on, AC is on. That should be a good load, right? Oh wait, I didn't put the... Let's back out of there and let's do it again. 2,000 to 2,500. Says it's good. Hopefully y'all seen that. Let's escape out of there and hold it up to 2,000 RPMs. Let's do that test again, right? Quick, says it's good. Everything's good. I gotta say, this thing does all the tests pretty darn quick. All right, let's turn the truck off. Turn the lights off. All right, God darn it. Turn off. Now, just for giggles, let's do that battery test one more time. Can y'all see that still? Hopefully y'all can see that. Right in there it says 730. Says normal. We're all good. So, hope you liked it. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.